First, enable Bluetooth on your smartphone. Next, access the Pathfinder's infotainment system via the touchscreen or steering wheel controls. Navigate to the settings menu, select Bluetooth or phone, then choose Add Device or Pair New Device. The system will search for available devices. Select your phone from the list on the screen. A PIN will be displayed on the Pathfinder's screen. Confirm this PIN on your phone. For iPhones, you may be prompted to allow CarPlay. For Android, ensure Android Auto is enabled if desired. Once paired, your phone is connected for hands-free calling and audio streaming. Once paired, your phone's audio will automatically sync with the Pathfinder's sound system. You can stream music, podcasts, and other audio through your car speakers. Use the infotainment system or steering wheel controls to manage playback. If you encounter issues, first ensure Bluetooth is enabled on both your phone and the Pathfinder. Try forgetting the device in the Pathfinder's Bluetooth settings and repeating the pairing process. Keep your phone within 30 feet of the vehicle and away from potential interference. Update the Nissan Connect app and your phone's operating system to the latest version. For older Android devices, ensure Android Auto is updated to avoid connection timeouts. Battery drain can occur on phones during long syncs. Expert estimates are 10 to 20% faster on phones. Also, ensure your phone isn't connected to other Bluetooth devices that can cause a conflicting connection.